Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get alliance resources in Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if I go ahead and click on the world map here, you'll be able to see where your city is and your other alliance around you. And now if you zoom in and out, you'll be able to see resources next to you. So you got like level idle, iron mine. We can go ahead and gather that. We keep scrolling around here. We've got more here, we've got lumberyard, etc. So basically what we need to do to gather these resources effectively, start by capturing those alliance mills, special structures on the map that generate alliance bread and other valuable resources. Make sure at least 75% of the mill's area is within your alliance territory to activate it. Once captured, simply deploy your troops to gather from the mill just like a regular resource point. Additionally, participating in alliance events or during time, so keep expanding your territory and working as your team. That's the key to resource dominance inside Kingshot.